If you're absolutely brand new to online business and marketing, if you're new to ClickFunnels, if you still don't know exactly what that is, how it works, and most important, how you can make money with ClickFunnels, in this video I will make it as clear and as simple as possible, so at the end of the video you will be able to decide for yourself whether ClickFunnels is for you and if there is an opportunity for you to make money with ClickFunnels. But before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this, to learn more about business, marketing and branding, so you can start your own lifestyle business to support your epic lifestyle. For those of you who are new to my YouTube channel, to our brand, our network, let me introduce myself. My name is Paul, Extra Hyperactive, and I'm the creator of Extra Hyperactive brand, the only active lifestyle brand that helps people live a happy, healthy, and adventurous lifestyle without the financial burden. And unlike other online gurus out there, I don't just make money online by teaching others how to make money online. I actually run my own businesses online as well as offline, and all those businesses are related to adventure, fitness, and the outdoors. Also, unlike most marketers out there, I don't just promote anything, any business opportunity. I only promote businesses, product, service, information that I personally have knowledge, experience, and expertise with. And the same goes for ClickFunnels. I first was introduced to ClickFunnels in about 2016. At that time, I was just thinking about starting a network marketing company, and I was looking for a platform to start building my network on. Before that, for those of you who don't know, I had been involved in affiliate marketing, affiliate niche marketing since about 2009. I had built multiple niche specific affiliate websites, and the two website building platforms that I used before were blogger.com and wordpress.com. But when I was thinking about starting my own network, I was thinking about building something more professional, better looking. So I was looking for something different, and a lot of marketers who I knew before, they were recommending me at that time to join network marketing platforms such as Empower Network, Mobi, and some others. And because I had been in affiliate marketing and online marketing for quite some time, at that time I knew exactly what those network marketing platforms were all about. I knew a lot of people from those platforms, and honestly I didn't feel comfortable being associated with those platforms. Then I found out about another online network marketing platform called Pure Leverage. And I heard a lot of good stuff about it. I heard a lot of bad stuff about it, but at least it was something different from Empower Network and Mobi, which at that time I just couldn't stand. So I decided to check it for myself. I joined Pure Leverage, and that's how I learned about, first learned about Russell Brunson. At that time, I think 2016, he was a part of Pure Leverage. Not only he was promoting Pure Leverage, but actually he was really successful with that company. They had their own Dream Car Challenge at that time, and he was, I think, one of the winners. So that was the first time how I learned about Russell Brunson, and that was the first time when I was introduced to this type of online marketing. So I was a part of Pure Leverage for almost 2 months. It was just enough for me to learn about what exactly they were doing and what kind of platforms they were using. To my surprise, not surprise, but basically they were using WordPress software to host their businesses for their network marketers. And because I was familiar, like I told you, I built WordPress affiliate websites before, so it was pretty easy for me to figure out, but it definitely was not worth being a part of Pure Leverage. So after 2 months, less than 2 months, I decided to quit and go on my own. And since I didn't find the platform, I decided to build my network. At that time, it was 2017, beginning of 2017. I decided to use the knowledge that I had before and build my network on WordPress.com, WordPress.org. But because I wanted to build something different, something more professional, I decided to use a relatively new theme called Divi Builder, Divi theme, Divi build page builder, and it was really complicated even for me, even though I was familiar with WordPress software before. It took me about 3 months just to learn Divi Builder software, and then it was a lot of it was very time consuming to put all the elements together. The hardest part was to make work WordPress software with hosting, with the Divi Builder all together. It was just one big mess. For 2 years, almost 2 years, I had a lot of problems using that site. And eventually in March 2019, when I was trying to move my network from WordPress, from Divi Builder to another platform, I didn't back it up and everything was gone. So 2 years of work, 2 years of lots of time invested, lots of money, everything was gone within like a few minutes. So since 2019, since March until I think October 2019, I didn't do anything. I was super bummed out. I was super frustrated. It was just horrible. So in 2019, I decided to go back to ClickFunnels and give it a try, because I was looking for something that I could start in the shortest amount of time and start seeing the results. And that's how I decided to join ClickFunnels in 2019 and find out for myself if ClickFunnels software would be the right fit for me. So after a few months using ClickFunnels, after being their affiliate, after joining the so-called offer or one funnel away challenge, I've decided to create this video to help others who are new to online business marketing, new to ClickFunnels, to better understand. And most important, and this is something that I was absolutely blown away. I saw lots of people joining ClickFunnels as affiliate, lots of people joining one funnel away challenge without even knowing, understanding what ClickFunnels was all about and how exactly they would be making money. That was absolutely mind-blowing. That's why I decided to make this video, to make it super easy and super clear for anybody, even brand new beginners, people who are just thinking about starting online business or getting into marketing, so they won't waste their time and definitely won't waste their money. So before we begin, let me just give you the most important information that anybody absolutely must know before they even think about starting a business, or before they get into any type of marketing, whether it's network marketing, affiliate marketing, or now influencer marketing. This is the most important information that you absolutely must know. First things first, there's only one way and only one way to make money in any business. Online, offline, any business whatsoever, and that way is selling. There's absolutely no other way to make money in any business but selling. It's pretty logical, it's pretty self-explained. Anybody who took economics 101 in high school or maybe in college knows that. Unfortunately, for some unknown to me reason, most people don't understand that to make money in any business, they need to sell something, right? Very important to know. More than that, there are only 3 things that you can possibly sell. 3 things. They are products, services, and information. Products, services, and information. Those are the only 3 things that you can possibly sell. Now, there are only 3 ways you can possibly sell products, services, and information. Number 1, you can sell your own products, services, or information. Number 2, you can become an affiliate for somebody, promote and sell their products, services, and information. And number 3, a combination of both. Pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory, but for some reason, unfortunately, most people don't understand this simple, basic business principles. Why it's so important, I will explain in just a few seconds. First, let's look at ClickFunnels. What exactly ClickFunnels is all about, what they do, how they make money. Officially, ClickFunnels is called S.A.A.S, which means Software as a Service, which means the company makes money by selling their software. They have two types of membership. One is $97 per month, another is $279 or $297 per month, right? So they make money by selling their software to business owners, entrepreneurs, online marketers. Number two, because they're not only just software, but they also provide a service, software as a service, they make money. Actually, they make a lot more money teaching entrepreneurs, business owners, the way how to make money with ClickFunnels specifically, and about marketing and business in general. So there are two ways that ClickFunnels make money. They sell their software and they provide services, educating people about business and marketing, and they do it by selling them info products, mostly books, webinars, video courses, and even events and stuff like this. But that's mainly how they make money. Why it's so important to understand for you, a brand new beginner who is just thinking about joining ClickFunnels, who is just thinking about making money online. Because if you are brand new to business and marketing, if you don't have any knowledge, experience, and expertise, if you don't know where to start and what to do, you have to understand that the only way you will be able to make money with ClickFunnels is by being their affiliate. Since you don't have your own product, service, or information to sell, your only option is to become ClickFunnels affiliate, promote and sell their software and their training, their info products, their books, webinars, video courses, and events. Those are the only two options for you. This is very important to understand, especially in the beginning. If you're just getting in, you have to understand that the only way you will be making money is by promoting and selling ClickFunnels software and their info products. Now, this is also important, because now you know that the only way to make money in any business is by selling something. Now you know the only way you will be making money with ClickFunnels is by promoting and selling their software and info product. All you have to do is ask yourself, how comfortable are you selling online? And believe me, if you think that selling online is different than from selling face-to-face, if you tried network marketing and it didn't work out and you think that it would be easier to do it online, it's not. Selling is selling. It's exactly the same thing. So if you don't like selling, if you don't feel comfortable selling, if you're afraid to be called a sleazy car salesman, believe it or not, it's still around. People call me that name all the time. If you're afraid of being called sellout, or people saying, oh, all you care is making money, and stuff like that. If a lot of people, believe it or not, are absolutely terrified to sell, and that's the reason why most people can't start a business. That's the main reason most people can't start a business, the reason most people can't succeed in any type of marketing, because they're absolutely terrified of selling. So if you don't like selling, if you're not comfortable selling, then being ClickFunnels affiliate is definitely not for you. But if you feel comfortable selling, if you had previous experience selling, if you, like me, if you worked in sales before, if you have previous experience in network marketing or maybe even affiliate marketing, and you think that ClickFunnels will be the right company to partner with, the right company to promote their products and info products, then another thing that you need to pay attention is training, right? Training specifically for affiliates, right? As you might know, there's a lot of information about affiliate marketing. There's a lot of information about how to do affiliate marketing. Unfortunately, most of that information is very general, very confusing, outdated, sometimes straight up useless, right? When I joined ClickFunnels as affiliate first, I really hope that I would get that necessary training, not just basic general training about marketing in general, affiliate marketing specifically, but affiliate marketing specifically to the company, right? They have the so-called affiliate bootcamp, right? And when I joined it, it was absolutely horrible. I don't know, maybe they've changed now, but at that time they literally had only 4 videos, right? And that was it. That was pretty much it. Right, so if you're brand new to affiliate marketing in general, if you join ClickFunnels hoping to learn how to promote and sell their software on their info product, it will be really, really tough, because they don't have anything specific for any specific training for brand new affiliates, for people who are brand new to business and marketing. They also have a Facebook group, ClickFunnels affiliates, or ClickFunnels Avengers, or something like that, right? My advice in the beginning, don't even bother joining that Facebook, because you're gonna get spammed. As soon as you post one question, you're gonna get spammed. People will try to take advantage of you, because first of all, that's the nature of marketing in general. There are a lot of bad actors in every type of marketing, whether it's network marketing, affiliate marketing, or now influencer marketing. And there are people who don't want to learn anything about business and marketing, who don't want to grow. They just want to make quick and easy money at the expense of just anybody, and they want to take advantage of you. And when I joined ClickFunnels affiliate Facebook group, I posted a couple of questions, and I was spammed with friend requests from people who were offering me their help, but in reality they were just trying to sell something. The worst part was that most of those people, like I said, people who do stuff like this type of marketing, they're what I call bottom feeders, right? They, like I said, they if they see an opportunity, they grab it and they go on. Those people not helpful, they are not knowledgeable, they have absolutely nothing to offer. My advice, stay away from their Facebook group. In conclusion, I really hope that this video helped you better understand what ClickFunnels is all about, how they make money, and most important, how you would be able to make money if you decide to join it. The best part about affiliate marketing in general, as you might already know, is that joining any affiliate marketing platform, any company that offers affiliate marketing opportunity, is absolutely free. You don't have to buy anything, and the same goes for ClickFunnels. Becoming their affiliate is relatively easy, and as I've just said, absolutely free. But if you really want to succeed in being their affiliate, you will really need to learn about the company. You will need to learn more about their philosophy and the way they do business and the way they do marketing, and there's a lot to learn. Like I said, right now I'm still going through their one funnel away challenge, and there's a lot of information. Most of that information, even though I knew it, the way how they teach it, it just changes a lot, if not everything, a lot. So like I said, there's a lot to learn, a lot to implement. If you decide to become their affiliate, I strongly recommend to at least get acquainted with their software. They offer 14-day absolutely free trial, so you can sign up with ClickFunnels, use their software, see how it works. By the way, it's really easy. For me especially, it was easy because, as I told you in the beginning of this video, when I was building my network, I used this website builder called Divi theme. So after that, ClickFunnels software was super easy to use. But even if you're brand new beginner, I'm pretty sure that it would take you literally just a few days to figure out how to build a basic website or a basic funnel. So give it a try, sign up with their 14-day trial. There's a link down there, my affiliate link. Again, if you decide to learn more about affiliate marketing in general and affiliate marketing specific to ClickFunnels, I will be more than happy to share everything I know. If you have any questions, shoot me an email or connect with me on social media. I will be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.